Hi, everybody. Thanks for coming back to the channel. It is a snowy, snowy winter day here in PA. So I thought, I'm going to make some focaccia bread. First time. Don't judge. But let's do it. Okay, once we put the onions on and we put the peppers and the tomatoes and the olives, I'm going to let it sit for another hour. It's going to rise with this stuff on top. And then I'm going to put it into a 400-degree oven and let it go for 45 minutes. I cannot wait to taste this. Oh, it's going to be, I think, delicious. Hey, it's my first time. Give me a little credit, will you please? Oh my, doesn't it look fabulous? It really does. Cover it, there you go, with a little plastic wrap. And that way it can rise for another hour. I know it's a process, but hey, anything good truly is, isn't it? Hey, I'm doing this from scratch. I can't believe I actually did it. But what else are you supposed to do on a snowy day?
It's done. Now I must say, my sun-dried tomatoes came out a little burnt, and I took this out of the oven because I could tell it's done. I took it out of the oven, and I went, you know what? I think it didn't need to go in for 45 minutes. No, it needed to go in maybe for a half an hour. I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil and just glaze the top a little bit with it. And that's all. Can't have enough olive oil, can you? Really? Hey, it still looks delicious. Come on, first time? Let's try it. Well, let's let it cool first. Let's listen for the crunch. First, let me show you the bottom. It's well cooked. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I don't know where to start. I don't know where to begin. I'll go. Come around, Janice. Come around the camera. Oh, can you hear that? Oh, God. We got to get some stuff on there. Oh, yeah. We got a piece of pepper. Oh, I can't wait. Mmm. Mmm. This is so good. Guys, I hope you try this. It's delicious. Mmm. Put anything you want on it. Cook it for 35 minutes at 30. Check on it. Mmm. So good. Remember to be kind to one another. Try it for yourself. It's absolutely delicious. And I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy, guys.